BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know that if you are using the Brave web browser on desktop, that Brave has started rolling out another maintenance update, which they made available on the 15th of November 2022, which was late yesterday in my region. Now, it is common for Brave to roll out maintenance updates almost halfway between the next version upgrade. So this is a scheduled maintenance update, which contains an add-on, an update, one removal, and a bug fix. So it's a combination of a whole lot of different aspects that have been bundled into this maintenance update. And once this update has been applied, which you can do by just heading to your menu, About Brave, the version will be 1.45.127, and the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, stays exactly the same as it was prior to this update. There are no changes with the Chromium platform, and it's just a point release for the browser, 0.127, that contains this latest maintenance update. Now, just to go through the different fixes, updates, and add-ons. The first is regarding the Brave wallet, and once again, there is another update to the wallet where they've added Solana NFT support in Brave Wallet now, which is now supported. And if we just head over to the search engine, the Brave search engine is now the default search engine for new installations of the browser in certain regions, and Brave is pushing out the Brave search engine now in more regions worldwide, and that's becoming more widely available, where they're obviously trying to upgrade their search engine to be the default in their own browser. And then if we head to the new tab page again, customize cards, they've removed the FTX widget from the new tab page and widget gallery. So the FTX widget is no longer available to be placed and added to the new tab page. And then if we just head back to Brave Rewards, they fixed an issue where Brave Rewards was appearing disabled in certain cases. So that's the bug fix regarding Brave Rewards. So that's it. That's more or less what's rolled out in this latest maintenance update, which is a scheduled maintenance update and release, which, as mentioned, Brave does roll out almost halfway between the next version upgrade. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.